Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Today we are using our Presto Pizzazz rotating pizza cooker to cook a really cool pizza. This is the first time we have done this pizza. In fact, this is the first time I've ever had this pizza. This is the Screamin Sicilian Mambo Italiano Italian combination pizza. And check it out. I mean, it's frozen now, so it's really hard to envision this as a finished pizza. You will if you make it to the end of the video. But let's talk about what it has on it. It has Italian meatballs, and that's a spicy meatball. It's got meatballs, it's got pepperoni, it's got mozzarella cheese. Well, of course it does. And then it says it has a secret recipe tomato sauce. Yeah, but all the Screamin Sicilian pizzas do. And it says it has a stone-fired medium crust, but you know what? It ain't stone-fired because it's Presto Pizzazz pizza cooker rotated, fired, cooked, something like that. So if we were making this in a real oven, you know, the oven that takes 10, 15, 20 minutes to heat up, yeah, Energy Star, energy-saving fancy new ovens these days, they take forever to heat up. If we were using one of those take forever to heat up ovens, we would preheat the oven forever to 400 degrees. We're talking Fahrenheit here, right? You would place this on the center oven rack, not the bottom, not the top, but in the center. And you would bake it for 20 to 22 minutes, and that's what's important here. Because what we're going to do is we decide what it takes to cook one of these pizzas in a, conventional regular oven, and then we modify it for the Presto Pizzazz pizza cooker. Now remember, I like to start with using the bottom element only. I don't like to use the dual element at the beginning because I don't want to burn the top of the pizza. And I want the bottom to be, good cooked and crispy. Oftentimes with a thicker or more substantial pizza or a meaty one like this, the pizza has a tendency to be good and golden brown or cooked on the top and just not perfect on the bottom. So, using my mental calculator brainiac machine inside my head, I can't tell you how it works. I just tell you that it works. We are going to start with 8 minutes on the bottom element. Then we're going to go to 16 minutes on the dual element. What's 8 and 16? Well, what is that? I'm putting it through my brainiac computer. And 8 and 16 is 24, so we're going to go about 24 minutes. And then when it's all said and done, we're going to look at the top of the pizza, and if we want it a little darker, a little, burnt or crispy on top, I say burnt, a little crispier on top, then I might let it cook for a couple more minutes. But we'll see about that when we get there. All right, so enjoy. All right, so check it out. Very cool looking pizza, and it smells delicious. This smells so good. This is going to be delicious, and it's a good looking pizza, and it was reasonably priced. You know I don't like to go for the more expensive pizzas, and this one was $9.94. I know, but it was buy one, get one, so really it was just under $5 a pizza, and that's a darn good price. And by the looks of this, yeah, man, I hate to pay almost $10 for a frozen pizza, but this is a good-looking frozen pizza. I might. Oh, man. Okay, really quick update. You're right, this thing tastes great. It tastes better than it looked. This might be my new favorite pizza. All right, so leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.